All right, guys, welcome back to another brand new trade recap. As you know, today is Tuesday, I think. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I've taken two trades, one during London session and another one in New York session. We'll go over both of them, but as you have probably seen the community post, bro, I got edged so badly, dude. Oh God, man. Oh my God, dude. Fuck me. Like, oh, that's what frustrates me so much, bro. Like, bro, that shit is not even funny, bro. So look at this. I had my you also seen that execution video, right? I couldn't bear any of this thing and I ended the recording. And I thought that probably it will hit my target later on, but it just traded all the way back to my trail stop and took me out of that trade. And now look at this, bro. I wanted to take this trade as well, but yeah, as I've already taken a trade for, I've taken two trades for the day, so I convinced myself that yeah, you should not be trading too much and just stick to your analysis or whatever. It's better if you do that. So yeah, man, pretty much. The session was great, to be very honest, bro. If you look at my entry here, so my entry was exactly here. As soon as we invalidated that BC right here, or inversed fair value gap, I entered my position, then took off something here because at around this level, I had one of my PDRs. So I was a little bit sketchy that we could end up reversing from there. But from the starting of the new kill zone, I was leaning towards bearishness on Nasdaq because it has to take some retracement back into that weekly range, right? So I was bearish for the day. And if I show you on the hourly time frame, if I show you guys what's going on the hourly time frame, you could see we have all this range and we have all these internal lows on the 15-minute time frame, which was also another reason for me to look for shorts. And yeah, took that short with those things in mind. But let me just do the recap for this trade first, the London session trade. So the time was at around 3:54 I entered, right? So I think, let me see. Okay, we have taken out these buy side at around this time and then tapped into this fair value gap, then rejected and inverse this bullish fair value gap. As you probably know, I've already talked about this. What are the best conditions to use a inverse fair value gap, right? I've already talked about that. Anytime you see a fair value gap uh, intact before sweeping out some sort of liquidity, and once we inverse that, all right, not some already mitigated fair value gap, but totally clean fair value gap that we create just before taking out some sort of buy set, you can use that as your inverse fair value gap entry. So as you can see, as soon as we inverse that, I entered off of this breaker block right here, and this was how my trade looked. I have my stop loss just above that inverse fair value gap high, and look at my exit. I exit just there, all right, and look at the price action. We ended up ripping higher, dude, and I also trailed my stop when I saw this pattern right here. So yeah, those are the I think, yeah, that's the reason I exited this trade and I took some profit here because I think we have taken out this low at around that time here. So I have taken out a 50% off of my trade below these lows, as you can see. And once we form that swing low, it's the same thing just that I explained on here. Like we have a fair value gap that is intact before we took out these lows, and then we inversed it. Look, we then again revisited that around here, then pushed higher and ended up taking out some sort of major buy set on the hourly or maybe from the past. So yeah, that was the trade for London session. Then the New York session trade. Okay, why did I take this trade? So if I go on the 15-minute time frame, let me turn on the indicator. All right, chat, just give me a moment. All right. So why did I take this trade? All right. So as we can see, okay, bro. Anytime I'm looking at this, bro, I'm feeling so frustrated, bro. Like, what? So, I already made a video on this thing for gold. Like, whenever you see a clean price, like on the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, price intends to take out those highs or lows that we create before that clean price leg form. So this right here is a clean price leg form. If I go on a 5-minute time frame, look at this. All right. So price came back all the way down, broke this low. Then we have all this clean price leg. As if you look at here, all right. Then that's the London sessions low. So we have this CB right here. We tap into that at what time? At 8:30 we opened up, traded up into that. Then I dropped down to a 1-minute time frame. What did I see there? I saw that price was resting, kind of grabbing orders from these 1-minute defined fair value gap. All right, it was grabbing orders, and look what happened. We tapped here first time, then just after that we took out this minor buy side. That was like the telltale sign that now we are probably gonna keep on going lower. But why did I wait it? All right, just because we are at all-time high, I cannot predict everything perfectly. All right, so I waited for price to give me another confirmation, which was inversing this BC right here, and we did that. I went short right there, and I placed my stop just above that this candle's high. Why? Because I didn't want it to see price revisiting that. If it does it, it's probably going to inverse that and take out that pre 830 high, which is this one, right? And it did it later on time. So I entered there, took some partials here, then I had other partials below these lows, okay? And then I had another partials below this low, and like the last 20% of my position, I got stopped on trail stop because I wasn't that much lucky. And yeah, like, why did I target this specific low right here? Okay, so this for your note, right? Whenever you see something like this candle, all right, whenever you're taking out sweeping out a buy side, but that candle also takes out some sort of sell side on the lower time frame, like this. Okay, this low was swept with that move, and also it has taken out this buy side from then on. Those are like those lows are like pretty much what market like very much interested to take a sweep. All right, if that sounds okay, I think that sounds, yeah, that sounds okay with that explanation. So anytime you see sell side being swept, then major move to the upside, those sell side liquidity that we are, those lows we create while sweeping these lows, those are like your you can use those levels for your partials or for target objectives, because those are very sensitive levels. And many time you'll, if you look at your chart right now, you'll see the price most of the time revisit these lows and then give you some sort of movements. That's why I was specifically targeting that low, even though I could have targeted this low. Why? Because we have taken out this sell side and moved higher, took out this. Now look here, we have taken out this sell side, this sell side, then also a buy side. So we have taken out this, and then we have taken out this, and we tapped into this order block, old 5-minute order block, then pushed higher. I think, even though I don't think it's done, it's probably going to keep on going lower, but that was basically my target objectives for that. And you could see that this old BC right here, we even created or formed another setup just below that. You could have taken that one as well, but bro, that move from this BC right here was pretty damn good, bro. I really wanted to take that, but I was just holding myself like, just to be disciplined, do not break your discipline or routine. So I ended up not taking the trade, and I think that was a good decision for me. And you could see all the trades, all right, the trade from tomorrow as well. So this is the same account, and I've taken this trade also on my live account. I think I made like 120 $128 during London session. Yeah, on that London session trade, I made like $121 on, and on this trade, I think I made around like 200 and let me have a look at it. All right, chat. I think I made around like 243, something like that. Yeah, so I made around like $246 on this trade right here. So yeah, man, pretty nice session from me, and I hope you guys also taken some nice trade today. And by the way, if you I mean, yeah, by the way, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, bro. I forgot to tell that at the beginning of this video. Please do me a favor, subscribe the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible so that I can start live streaming. And also comment down what did you like about this video, and if you learned anything new today. And also subscribe, give a thumbs up. What else? Go follow me on Instagram and X as well, and check out Lucid Funding. 40% still going on, 40% discount. Use my code NEXTGEN. And if you want to trade with live phones, you can check out Bybit, where you can trade gold, commodities, then indices, etc. That's more like a crypto wallet, but they're pretty reliable. You can check that out for yourself. I'm not telling you to just trust them. You can check them out. So I use that for my live trades. I've already shown that. And yeah, man, so for that's it. I think if you enjoyed that video, just give a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed, and check out Lucid Funding one more time if you want to start live trading evals or whatever, because there I think Lucid is currently trending on the prop space, right? And by the way, I'm starting the live trading sessions on Discord the next month. So if those of you like want to see me trade live, you can join the Discord server. Probably I'm gonna close it after that month ends, so there will be like limited people there. So yeah, man, I'll probably catch you guys on to the next one. Till then, be safe, take care of your health, hit the fucking gym, guys. Bro, I'm feeling so much like refreshed, and like there's zero anxiety inside my mind right now. All right, I have zero anxiety. Even if I take a loss, I don't even think about it. I think I shared it with you guys last day. But yeah, man, just hit the fucking gym, eat healthy, make a routine. I have my routine just here, what I do for the day. I cannot show you obviously, but I have my routine. What are my targets for 2026? I have all those things on this wall right here, just to my left. So have a disciplined routine. And the thing that I want to tell you guys that unless you put in the work, bro, nobody can save your ass, dude. It may sound harsh to hear, but that's the reality, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about you. And stop like giving attention to these trolls on X, bro. I don't even like scroll on X anymore, dude. I don't even read anyone's tweet. What I do, I just go there, post my trade recaps or trades. That's it. I'm closing the app. What I'm doing, I'm just doing my work, study, reading books, journaling, whatever I'm doing. I'm just not engaging with all these trolls or whatever. That's not paying me anything. All right, that's not feeding me. Okay, I have to do something productive. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Do something productive. Stay away from all this bullshit and only focus on yourself. Improve as a human being, and you'll see everything will turn on yourself, bro, like in a positive way. Okay, so make sure to remember that. And I really want you guys to get this shit. It was hard for me when I started this shit. I can feel it. Well, those of you like still struggling with this, I can totally feel you guys. But as long as you don't put in the work, nothing's gonna help you, bro. And stop jumping from one setup to another, one strategy to another. Just take something and just be the best in it, bro. All right, just be the best in it. Don't focus on too many things. That's it. That's basically it, bro. That's how you can easily get what you want. So yeah, man, lock in, dude. I really want you to guys to be there where you actually want to be, but you have to make the sacrifices. No one can help you, bro, if you don't make the sacrifices. So yeah, remind yourself all these things every time you feel desperate or feel depressed, or you don't feel like you don't have any motivation. Just tell yourself, what can you be from if you do this, if you keep on doing something same for next 6 months that is productive or probably going to help you in terms of your physical life or mentally or financially. Do something that really going to help you. All right, and think about it, bro. So yeah, man, I hope you guys make it, and yeah, I'll catch you guys until the next one. Till then, be safe, take care of your health. Peace out, chat.